Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick fix noodles recipe. Spicy noodles recipe that is full of flavor and perfect for lunch or snacking. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where it makes simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Hello there. I'm going to start today's video by preparing some vegetables. So I have some coriander here, I have some ginger, I also have some green onions. So for the ginger, you're going to just need a little piece of it. Okay. This is just enough. I'm going to chop out the ends of my coriander. I'll wash my vegetables. I'm going to chop my onions. So for the leafy part, we are going to chop it separately from this whitish part. I'll do the same with the coriander. For the leafy part, we're going to chop it separately from the part with the sticks. These parts with the stick are always full of flavor, so don't just throw them away. So I'm going to set this one aside here. Now I'll chop my ginger. For the ginger, you can finely chop it, but for me, I prefer crushing my ginger. So we can save time. I'm going to crush ginger together with some garlic. And then I'll wash it. Moving on, I have 2 packs of noodles here. Indomie noodles, 120 grams each. We are going to boil the noodles according to packet instruction. Okay, so moving on, over here I already lit my fire. I'm going to add my pot, and then I'm going to add some water to boil our noodles. We'll bring this water to a boil. I'm almost forgetting to crush my pepper. Okay, I have some dry pepper here. I collected them during pepper season. Let me just crush this ones here. So we set our seasoning aside. The water I was boiling is just ready. It's already bubbling. Noodles in. The packet said 3 minutes. It's 12:47 right now. It's 12:50 already. So I'll remove my noodles from the heat. I'll strain my noodles over here. And then one thing that you always have to do when cooking noodles so that you prevent overcooking is to rinse them with cold water. Then set them aside. Properly. They're now cold and My pot is dry. I'm going to go in with some cooking oil. I'll preheat my oil and then I'll add in my onions, the white part, and the stocky part of my coriander. I'll add in my ginger and garlic paste, my coriander together with my green onions, the leafy part. Now I'll add in my crushed pepper, salt to taste, and then now I'll add in my noodles. We are going to wiggle it around so it doesn't break. And then for this bumbu sauce, add a little bit of it. This is always very salty, and I already added my salt in chili in this bucket. Chili in. I have some curry powder here, just a pinch to give it a little color. Now I'll plate it. Garnish it with some coriander and green onions. It's now time for my favorite part, the taste test. It's very tasty, packed with flavor. You can feel the ginger and garlic in it. It's hot enough, and the fresh coriander makes it even more lively, and the salt is just perfect. Thanks for watching again, and kindly subscribe to my channel to support me to create more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye, and remember to subscribe.